Here we have a Bose QC earbuds. This is a Series 2 model and having an issue about the sound. Both sides of these earbuds having a weak sound because of the plug here on the mesh. Let me show it to you. The other side, almost the same. Here, there's a plug on the mesh. Let me gonna show it to you under the camera how I remove the plug on the mesh, and of course we have to do some cleaning. Okay, so under the microscopic camera I am going to show it what it is looks like. So this is the condition of the earbuds. As you can see, the sound cannot penetrate outside because of the plugs, and somehow there is a small airways here, so at least you can hear the sound, but it's really weak, not that loud. And on the other side, as you can see, almost on this side you cannot hear the sound because it's totally black. The air passage or the mesh is, there's a hardened air wax or dirt. Okay, we're gonna start on the left side. Left side condition is like that. Okay, and first thing first, remove these ear tips. Removing these ear tips is so easy. Yeah, just hold it like this on this side, or even if on this side, it's fine. And I'm gonna hold this on this side, and then you have to pull it out. The same on the other side. Hold on this side and pull it out. Okay, and also need to remove this. We are going to clean this up, and as you can see, there's some dirts here, but we have to focus cleaning on the mesh. I have a solution here. I'm using this, actually this hydrogen peroxide, and this solution liquid is uses for for health. If you have wound, you have to apply it on that part. And here, my advice: if you are using this, you have to apply only small amount on the part that having an issue. And I suggest to make the earbuds facing down in order not to penetrate it from the inside the liquid. Or if you have, because I have a small container here. If you do not have a small container, you have to pour it here, and then you can use. I sorry, you cannot see it. You have to pour it small like amount like that, and if you have a needle, just touch it on, and you have to you know uh, apply here, or you have to touch face down like this. So it's up to you, but at your own risk, because this liquid is, there's hydrogen peroxide contained, so some it's harm on the skin. So be careful using this. But for me, this is the effective ways how to remove the clog on the mesh. Okay, let us start. Now I'm going to use the method. I am going to pour small here. Okay, just small amount only, and I'm gonna touch the affected area. Okay, and we'll see if it's really have a liquid. Let me show it to you under the microscopic camera. As you can see that, so we have to leave it maybe 30 seconds, or that's up to you, 1 minute. So I leave it to make the, I leave it longer to make the hardened airwax or dirt to be softened. Let us wait. While waiting, we have to do the same on this side. Okay, let me remove the earth tips, and we still have a liquid here, so I'm gonna touch face down, and I leave it like that. Let me wipe out the remaining liquid, and then while waiting, I need to clean this with the isopropyl alcohol. This one, this is isopropyl alcohol, and of course, we are going to use brush. So let me gonna spray here, and also this, and also this. So I'm gonna set this aside here. You have only to brush to remove the dirts, and also this side, because sometimes the dirts causes a lot of problems on the earbuds. So I suggest to regularly clean your earbuds. Let me gonna use tissue to wipe the liquid. Okay, so we already cleaned the rubbers or tips. I'm gonna set this aside. And here, guys, no, as you can see, there's a lot of dirt. Just use the same tissue, apply alcohol, and wipe on this side, inner part, but don't wipe here because there's a pin, 3 pins inside that if you insert this inside and then pull it up, it will damage the pin, it will deform. This pin 1, 2, 3. I am not suggesting to insert the tissue or any cleaning. What you are going to do, at least you have a brush like this to insert and brush the dirt outward. At least the pins are safe. Okay, so as you can see, the dirts here is can easily remove by using this type of brush. So almost dirts are gone here. And for the final cleaning on that side, we're gonna use again the alcohol and wipe, and then next you have to use for final cleaning dry tissue. Okay, so it looks, here there is a small dirt, blow up because some of small particles here is really sticking. You have to blow up. All right, so see that? Look at that shining. Wow. And also on the outer side, you can use isopropyl alcohol to wipe the dirts. Okay. Let me zoom it out. All right. So now we are going to, clean the mesh. Here I have a vacuum actually because we cannot clean it without vacuum. I have here vacuum. This type of vacuum I just purchased it in AliExpress. This is automatic vacuum pen with adjustable pressure here. So here I'm gonna set it to high, and we have a suction pin. Okay, let me gonna plug this in. and on. So, okay. At least this there is a sanction that can remove the plug. And as you can see here, okay, I'm gonna show it under the microscopic camera. As you can see, the plug is still there, but for sure it is already, you know, softened because of the what you call this, hydrogen peroxide. All right, so let's gonna start. Okay, yes, wow. Without applying this hydrogen peroxide, we cannot remove that dirt. I already tried it, but here, so easy. I already tried it before to use the brush. Brushing with isopropyl alcohol will not work. So I'm gonna do it this, maybe we have to add another, we have to do it many times, 2 times or 3 times to make it totally clean, because there is still remaining here. See that still have plug here. Let's move on the other side, but before that, before moving the another side, let me gonna apply again. Okay, I'm gonna apply directly, but the earbuds is downside, facing down. Okay, and let's move on this another side of the earbuds. Let's check under the microscopic camera. Oh my god, you see that? Okay. Oh wow, this is really, difficult to remove. So now I'm going to use tissue to wipe. There's still have, but I noticed that it's the air wax is already softened. So we need to apply it again, the same on the other side. So I'm gonna apply on this side, and we have to check on the other side. This one, all right, and then let me gonna apply again. Okay, let me also clean the nozzle. If you purchase this, it comes with a different size of rubber. Okay, let's move on the microscopic camera. So I feel I can see here that some of the most of the clogs are softened. Okay, you see the progress, guys. We can see now the at least inside. If you have strong vacuum, maybe it will remove easily. Wow, see that? The result is really surprisingly. I'm going to use my brush. Okay, okay, I'm gonna apply again a liquid, and well, of course we have to check the other one, other side. Okay, I'm gonna apply right, and then paste down, and let us check the other one. Now let me use again a vacuum. So this one, I think we have to need more minutes to soften because there's really a lot of airwax. But at least here, see, we removed some, and now I'm using strong vacuum. Okay, let me gonna apply again a liquid. I leave it maybe 1 minute. Let's move on the other side. Let us see under the camera. And I'm gonna use again my vacuum. Wow, amazing. Let me use my brush. Alcohol to my brush, and let me brush it out. I already tried many ways like using acetone, WD-40. It is really difficult to remove that clog. Not unless you have to take this out the tip, but there is lying board here that may be damaged if you attempt to or forcefully remove that. Let me gonna wipe this the tissue. Okay, so here I'm going to brush also the body. And then let me grab dry tissue to avoid happening this, guys. You need to clean the earbuds regularly. Okay, And let me gonna apply again hydrogen peroxide, facing down. Okay, let us check another one, other side, I mean. Let's check under the camera. All right, so now okay, and I can clearly see now the side. I'm planning to remove this also, some here, this one. But if you can see it without the microscopic camera, it looks like it's already clean. See that? Unlike before. But let me try to remove the remaining. So I'm gonna apply again liquid solution. Okay, and let's check again on this side. Oh wow, see that guys? Almost clogged are removed. Let me gonna use isopropyl alcohol and brush it. Let me clean this also. We are going to use a dry tissue to wipe the liquid. Again, let me apply hydrogen peroxide. Face down. And let me check again the other side. This is final because we almost removed the clogs. Okay, this part, we remove the dirts. Here I can tell that we already cleaned this mesh, but there's some, actually not much. And here also. But at least we removed that plug. And if you can see it from the normal side without the microscopic camera, it's already clean. See that? Unlike before, the image is not good. That is the final cleaning. Let's move on the other side. This is the last one. And now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol to finish up the cleaning. And then we have to wipe that to dry the earbuds. And of course we need to vacuum the liquid on the mesh. Let me show it to you under the camera. There's still liquid. Okay, done. Then let us install this one is right side is here, and also this side is left side. These earbuds, the condition, this is the worst earbuds that I cleaned because really the airwax is sticking on that mesh. and we'll see the you know the image from the outside is really good. See that, unlike before, it's really totally black. Here at least we can now see clearly the mesh is clean. And let me check under the microscopic camera. Okay, and here also. Okay, so we done the cleaning. And for the terminals, if you have eraser, this is an ordinary eraser, you can clean this with the eraser, at least to remove the oxidation. Let me gonna show it to you one side under the camera what looks like. See that? Now I am going to clean it. Let me clean this and we'll see the difference. Before, it is not shining, so we can figure it out after cleaning with the eraser. We'll see. See that? It's shining now. And some of the oxidation on that gold plate has been removed. I'd like to show it to you what is the liquid solution that I used. This is a hydrogen peroxide, and it is a mild disinfectant for minor cuts, wound, and skin ulcers, mouthwash, or gargle. You can purchase this in a pharmacy store. And be careful, guys, using this. I advise, at your own risk, you have to apply small amount only. Don't apply flooded on these earbuds because it will penetrate inside. It will damage the some components and acoustics inside. Okay, guys, hope you learned something on this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.